Okay, now what we're going to try and do is paint a flat wash, a little area there of a flat wash in wet and dry. So I have this medium mop brush and I'm going to go with a yellow there, grab some of it and start painting it. Now, because I want just this area and I want it as flat as possible, I'm going to tilt my block a tiny bit more. Set. Now, what I need, I'm tilting because I really need that bit of water there, always there. Until that bit of water is there, it means I won't have a hard edge there and it will look smooth. Should even have it a bit more. It's a bit dry. That's the lovely bit that we got there. Very good. So this is nice and flat and very smooth as well. Now, what we're going to try to do instead on this other side is a graduated one. So we're going to start from yellow and we are going to travel to red. We can do that in different ways. We'll try one method at a time. Let's see what happens. Clean my brush a little bit. Again, starting from yellow. Great. Stripe of color there. Like so. And now I'm not going to charge again my watercolor again. Instead, I'm going to drag it down a little bit like this and clean my brush. I'm going to red. Should probably try and turn this pad the other way around. Like that. Now I have that red here, by fiery red. Set and gently drag the paint down. And let the two blend like so. Without insisting too much, otherwise it gets a bit, you mess too much with it. Leave it flat. This time we're gonna leave it flat to dry. That's one method. Now, let's see what happens instead if we want our wash to be only yellow, but from traveling from being very, very intense to very, very light. Let's grab a little bit more yellow there. And make that intense yellow there. And let it drag down like this. That I am almost halfway. Gonna have to clean my brush and just have some water there and drag this paint down. So nice. That's it. You got 3 washes here, one flat, one that travel from one color to another, and one from deep yellow to almost completely white. That's good. Let's see what happens instead if we use a different brush. Let's try and use a flat brush. Let's see what difference it makes. Let's travel from red this time. Small for that. Let's go into yellow here. Without using any extra water there in between. It's quite nice. I cannot quite nice. The transition, the blending is quite soft. Here we got a bit of a hard edge there because of the amount of water we used there, but it's a different process. It's really good.